He heals the brokenhearted and binds up their wounds. Psalm 147 verses 3. So in today's recipe is quite very easy. I like to show you 3 of my favorite go-to sandwich recipes that I think you should try. It is very affordable, easy to make, and very healthy and delicious as well. If you're interested, please keep watching, and I also like to welcome you back to the Lovystouch food channel. Let's get started. So in my first 2 sandwich recipes, I like to use the sourdough bread. I have a recipe of this bread on this channel. I'm going to link it here and below as well. If you are in Ghana, you can simply go for tea bread. It will work perfectly for this recipe. I'm going to cut them into thin sizes like this. I'll add a bit of butter to my grill pan, and I'm going to grill the bread for about 3 minutes or until they turn golden brown on both sides. Okay, that is how you want your bread to look, just like this, very crunchy and golden brown on both sides. Okay, so for the first recipe, I'm going to add about a tablespoon each of both mayonnaise and ketchup, and I'm going to squeeze about half a lemon juice. I'm going to add about half teaspoon of black pepper, half teaspoon of salt, and I'll mix everything together. And once you mix it, it should be able to look like this. Okay, and the final ingredient for this is going to be my hard-boiled eggs. I'm going to grate about 1.5 of my hard-boiled egg, or 2 if you are making it in a big quantity. I'm going to grate it and mix everything together. And just like that, we are done with this. Very easy and so good. With this sandwich, I love to add some avocados. Yes, it's so good with it. But if you don't have avocados, do not worry. You can actually go ahead and slice some tomatoes and you'll be good to go. I'm going to cut my avocados into smaller shapes like this, slice them into these shapes, and I'm going to spread it on the bread and then go in with my mayo and egg batter. They are so delicious. This is what you end up finding in the bars that is extremely expensive. Look, for your brunch, for your breakfast, it is the go-to for me lately. It's so filling, it's so delicious, and very healthy. That is it. Spread some parsley on top and you are good to go. They are so good. Add some juice or tea or coffee and you'll be good to go. Trust, it's so good and crunchy. So let's go straight to our bacon and egg sandwich. With this, I need some bacons that I slice into thinner pieces, and I need some 2 eggs, and to the eggs I'll be adding a tablespoon of fresh milk, or use evaporated milk if that's what you have. Whisk it, making sure your egg will be fluffy at the end. Okay, so once my bacons are well fried for about 3 minutes, I'll then go ahead and add my eggs. It's as simple as that. I'll go ahead and scramble the eggs, making sure that the bacon is also well intact. And you can notice that I did not add any salt here because bacons comes in very salty forms. I don't want to add any salt to make it overly salty. I don't like salt too much in the mornings, right? So I like to slice some tomatoes with this recipe, and I'm going to spread the tomatoes on the bread and then add a bit of black pepper just to season it a little bit, and then add my scrambled eggs and bacons on top. Just spread a little bit of parsley on top, and you are good to go. This is as well crunchy, delicious, healthy, and just so easy to make, right? Absolutely great for your brunches, breakfast, dinner, because it's so filling as well. To our last but not the least, I am absolutely in love with this sandwich recipe. It is so easy. So I'm going to toast my bread. Yes. The more caramelized, the better. You, as they say, if you toast your bread like this, the calories definitely does not count, right? I'm just joking. And with this one, I love to use some avocados as well, and I'll go ahead and grate my hard-boiled eggs. And with this one, as a matter of fact, you will need just one hard-boiled egg to fill up 2 slices of bread. It is so inexpensive. I love it so much. And with the second one, I like to also add some slice of tomatoes and grate the other half of the egg. How easy, how simple is that? And with this one, I've already shared it on my Instagram page. So if you're following me on Instagram, this is not new to you. It is one of my favorite go-to sandwich recipe. At the end, I like to sprinkle a little bit of black pepper and some salt for taste. It is so delicious, fam. Please do try it and let me know how you like it. Any one of them is going to be one of your favorite too. So delicious and very easy. This brings us to the end, family. I'm so grateful that you watch right to the end, and I know that you are going to grab a thing or two here, most definitely. Okay, thank you so very much for watching, and do not forget to give me a thumbs up and share to a few friends and family. And if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board and subscribe for more amazing recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again, and just know that you are so beautiful just the way you are. See you in my next one.